Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to leave a review on Travelocity. Leaving a review on Travelocity helps other travelers make informed decisions. And here is how you can leave a review on Travelocity. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and navigate to the Travelocity website at www.travelocity.com. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen prompt at the top right corner to log in if prompted. Now, once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Travelocity. Now, from here, go ahead and click on Trips in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Trips tab, and that's going to take you to the Trips window. Now, in this window, if you have upcoming trips, past trips, you can find them organized here, but I literally have nothing to show here. So locate the trip or the booking. For example, it could either be hotel, flight, or activity for which you want to leave a review. So once you locate that, click on the specific booking to open its details. After clicking on that, look for an option labeled leave a review or write a review. Now, this option is typically available for completed trips. So ensure that your trip has been completed before you can leave a review. Clicking the review option will redirect you to the review page. So in there, provide a rating, for example, stars or points based on your experience. Write your review in the text box provided, sharing details about your experience, either service, quality, amenities, or overall satisfaction. Of course, if applicable, you can upload photos related to your experience by clicking on the Add Photos button. Once you've filled in the required fields, go ahead and click on Submit Review to finalize. And of course, after submission, you receive a confirmation message that your review has been successfully submitted. Reviews are typically allowed for only bookings made through Travelocity and after the trip is completed. Ensure your review complies with Travelocity's review policy by avoiding inappropriate language or unverified claims. So, if you encounter any issues with leaving a review, you can, of course, contact Travelocity's customer support by clicking on support, which is in the top right corner of the homepage. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.